Hello everyone, I am Yash Patel and welcome to my channel Django World. So in today's video, we are going to see that how we can delete the blog. Okay, so we will go to VS Code now, and I will just delete this terminal. I will close all the files and I'll go to main views.py, and below this I will create one class which will be delete delete blog view, and this will take all these classes, and here instead of update we will say delete. Okay, now here this will take model, so model, okay, equals to blog only because we are going to delete objects from the blog. Then we will say template underscore name, so it will be template underscore name equals to um, main slash delete underscore blog dot html. I'll copy this and I'll go to templates and main. I'll create new file over here, paste that name and hit enter. Okay. Okay, it has created one more folder which named as main, so I'll just drag and drop this file over here. I'll delete this folder. Okay, now after doing this we will go to views.py again, and we will add this login success and success message. Instead of this success, now we are going to pass the error message. No, we are going to pass success message only because we are deleting the blog. Okay, sorry, my bad. So your blog has been deleted. Sorry, deleted. Yeah, save this. Now copy this class name, go to urls.py, and I will create path which will be delete underscore blog slash, it will take pk, so it will be int pk slash views dot delete blog dot as. Okay, we need to pass the comma over here. Now it will say as underscore view and name. Okay, now save this. Copy this name, come to blog detail page, and I will add URL over here. URL, and I will say blog.id. Okay, save this. Now come to blog underscore delete page. Before that, I will just start my server. So python manage.py run server. Okay, now we will go refresh and I will say delete. Okay, it is taking us to the blog delete underscore blog page. Now here I will extend base.html, then I will say block content. Okay, then here I will check for the authenticated user first. So if user dot is underscore authenticated, TICATHED authenticated, then we will check for one another loop. So if now this time we will check for the user, like whether that user has already created that blog, then only he will get permission to delete the blog, otherwise no. Okay, so user dot id is double equals to the id of the blog. Okay, so I will say blog dot authors dot id, and inside this we will just write you got the permission. Save this, come over here, refresh. Okay, we are not getting this text. Hmm, why? Okay, let me go to blog detail page and let me check over here that what I have done. Yeah, I have done this same. I have checked for this loop only. Then why it is not showing me? Okay, sorry. Come over here, refresh. No response. Okay, let me do one another thing. P tag like this, and outside of this I'll say write that text. Okay, I am getting that text, and let me say user, sorry, user. So this is not checking for user authenticated also. I think I have misspelled this is authenticated variable name, so I'll just copy that and paste it over here. Save this. Okay, now we got the permission. Now I'll remove this user, and in this I will write the code now. Okay, so here I will write first h2 tag, and I will say delete, oops, delete blog dot name. Okay, then here I will create div tag. I don't think so we need to create div tag. I will just create form post. I will remove this. I will write csrf token, so csrf token, and here I will just create one button saying submit button. So button, oops, button, submit button, so it will be submit, and I will say delete blog. Now I will write strong, and I will say are you sure you want to delete this blog? Okay, come over here, refresh. Now I will add some classes. I will say btn hyphen danger, sorry, danger. Save this, come over here, refresh, and I will add the r tag. Okay, now I think everything is set. Now after this if loop, okay, we will write one else condition, and here I will say that about this and if, okay, and in this I will say strong, and I will give class text hyphen danger, and I will write you are not allowed here. Okay, now in here we will write one another else case, and I will take this and I will write you are not logged in. Please create or log in website. Okay, now here I will pass link to login. No, we will already have link of login in header. Okay, now I will click on delete button, but I will just refresh first. Now I will say delete. Our blog is deleted and you can see we got no blogs found. Okay, now we will again go to create blog. I will create for markdown and I will search for markdown. And I will copy this image link. So copy image address and I will go over here and I'll paste that. Okay, we got this logo. Now I will just copy this history, this, everything. Okay, still here. Let's copy this also. Copy and I will just paste it. Okay, I think we have got everything. Okay, now after doing this, we will again go here and just copy small description. I will click on post blog. Now we have clicked on this. Now we have got this now. Okay, I will just log out myself now and we will check for that case that it is working or not. Okay, so I'll just log out and I will say sign up. I'll write Yash Patel admin, but this time it will be 101. It will be Yash@Patel, and here I will write password. So okay, now I will write admin 101. Now I will click on read more. We are not getting that delete button, but if I go on that URL manually, let me go. So I will go to URLs and I will say okay, copy this, paste it, and here of without writing this ID I will write 2. Okay, it is saying you are not allowed here because we have not wrote that blog. But before that, let me go ahead and check the ID for that blog which we have created. So I'll go to admin. Okay, admin 100 blog, and ID of that blog is 2 only. Okay, it is 2. So yeah, we have successfully implemented this delete blog button also. Now let's us create one more blog with this user. So it will say Python and I will say Python Wikipedia. Okay, and from here I will copy this image address. I will come over here, paste that address, come down, just copy this history of the Python. Okay, till here, and we will paste it. Now I will copy small description and go very down and paste that over here, and I will say post blog. Now if I click on the blog which is created by admin 101, read more, then you can see we have got this edit blog button. I'll click on here and we can have that edit blog, and if I click on delete, then we can see this delete. Okay, so I have noticed one more thing in our profile. You can see that this text is not showing properly. Okay, this edit blog and delete button is not working, read blog button is working. So in next video we are going to fix this profile page. Okay, so in this video we have implemented this delete blog button. So this is it for today's video, guys. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and if you have any doubt, please comment down below. I will reply as soon as possible. Thank you.